All right, guys, I'm back with my friend Tony for another rock hounding video. This time we're out in California at the Hauser Geode Beds. We're looking for geodes. This place is not very well marked. Google Maps will take you out here, but there's a vast area in which you can search and dig. So don't expect there to be parking or a main trailhead or anything like that. So we kind of found a spot that looks good. There's some other dig holes, so we're gonna explore around and see what we can find. Let's see. Tony dug a lot of ash. Did you find anything yet?
Nope.
Nothing yet. All right. Well. All right. So one hole down. I think we'll try another one. You see all that flaky stuff there. This is all ash right here. So this is kind of the area that they want to be in. And right by a wash too. That's a pretty good spot. So we'll see how this works. The thing with the Hauser Geode Beds is it's hit or miss. They're not just laying on the surface. My last video, they were everywhere. They were easy to find. The Hauser Geode Beds, once upon a time in the 70s, you could pretty much find them everywhere. It's a very popular place with rockhounders, so it's been picked over quite a bit. You definitely need to work and dig in ash beds until you find them, and you know, it's hit or miss. Sometimes you'll come out and you'll score, and sometimes you won't. So I'm gonna try a few different locations. Tony's digging a few different locations, and we'll see what we get. All right, well, we found another place. There's a couple really big holes here. My theory is that no one's gonna dig a gigantic hole unless they were finding stuff. So we're gonna check this place out and hopefully have better luck over here. Tony's already starting to dig. All right, well, after some more digging, came up empty there, so we're gonna head on down the road and see if we can find another spot. This is definitely, the Hauser Geode Beds are a lot harder to find stuff in than they used to be. So we'll see how it goes. All right, so we've kind of toured around everywhere, and we found a spot that looks good. Daylight's a waste, and this might be our last spot we can try. So we're gonna try and hit it up and see what kind of luck we have. Some bullet casings from some litter bugs. Oh, you got one? Possibly. That's pretty light. Well, let's crack her open and see what we got. We've got nothing. Another cool one, broken in half, not bad. Check that one out, that one is so cool. This might be the one to polish, man. This one's pretty cool. I mean, not really special, but kind of cool. All right, finding some good geodes. We're gonna keep going for a little bit and then call it a day. Let's check it out. Oh, cool, look at that. Dude, nice. Let's see the other end. Oh yeah, that one's pretty. I wonder how that'll polish up. We should take that one back with us. What do you think?
Yeah.
Got some little guys. See those? Oh, nice. Awesome. Should we break them open?
Yeah, let's try that.
So that was definitely a drive out there. Jack missed me quite a bit, so he's extra cuddly today. It was a lot of fun. It was a great trip, and I'm so glad we scored some stuff at the very end there. I just finished getting all the geodes cleaned up, and they look really great. We have some really amazing pieces, 2 or 3 of which I think I'll have Joe polish up. So let me show you those really quick, and then we're gonna head over to Sticks and Stones Rock Shop in Mesa, Arizona, and get those polished up. Kind of got them cleaned up a little bit. You can see the dirty ones are over here. You can see how much more dusty they are than after you wash them off. When you wash them off, you can see a lot of the inclusions and colors, and that is really, really cool right there. So this is what the geode actually looks like. This is what they look like all washed and cleaned up. And you can see there's a lot of really, really neat colors in them here. Just incredible. Now, before you wash them, they look like this. Dusty. Can't really tell what's on them. But once you get them washed, they look pretty cool. Look at that. This one here is definitely the find of the day. This is definitely one of the ones I'm gonna get polished. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look at the colors, look at the banding, look at the crystals. Absolutely incredible. This one right here, this one's really neat too. You can see there's actually a hollow point right there. So that part's hollow. And some really nice agate and a little bit of purple in there. You can see some purple in there. So I'm not sure how that's gonna polish up. I think it'll polish up really well. Same with this one here. That one's really pretty. I think that'll polish up nicely too. And I brought a couple that I think I might get cut. There's just a few small ones. Probably this one and this one. So probably these two right here are gonna be the ones I get cut. I'm interested to see what's in them because from the outside they look really, really cool. Now, if you want to see what these will look like when they're polished, or not exactly what they look like, but to get a better idea of what they're going to look like when they're polished, just dip them in some water, and look at that. So when you dip them in water, it brings out the color a lot. You can see the red now is very, very prominent. Look at that. So the red is really prominent. That's going to come out really well when it's polished. All right, let's see what this one looks like dipped. Oh, it's got some really nice banding right there. It's got some really nice banding. I think that's going to be absolutely gorgeous when it gets polished up. Doesn't have red, has a bit of a hint of purple on the left side. And a little hollow spot right there. Let's dip it. See what happens. Oh yeah. Look how translucent that is. Look at that. Wow, you got some orange in there, some yellows. Tiny bit of red way down in there. Okay. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That is really cool. That is definitely going to look really neat. I almost don't want to cut this one, but I think I will. All right, I'm back here at Sticks and Stones Rock Shop with my buddy Joe, and we're gonna cut some rocks and see what we got.
the depth in there.
Wow.
Look at how deep that is. That's a nice agate.
That is.
And you know, this isn't too bad, but that's the cat's meow right there.
That's for you, Joe.
That's what everybody's looking for.
That's awesome. That's amazing.
That is.
Well, how about you keep that one, polish it up, and next time I'm in, I'll see it all finished.
All right, well, that was the video. Hope you guys like it. It was a lot of fun going out there. Quite a bit of a drive, but I'm so glad we found some stuff. And good seeing my friend Joe at Sticks and Stones as always. He did a phenomenal job cutting them, and I'm really happy with how they came out. And those little agate specimens are incredible. I just love those. So definitely really worth the trip and a lot of fun. So if you guys do go out to the Hauser Geode Beds, just remember, not every spot is going to yield a bunch of geodes and agates and all kinds of stuff. You do have to kind of look around, and fortunately we lucked out towards the end of the day. Hope you liked the video. Till next time.